Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, are bait stations necessary for rat and mouse control? Baiting for rats and mice is an effective rodent control strategy that is made even easier with tamper-proof bait stations. This will help ensure that your bait stays dry and does not get contaminated or moved from their position. Bait stations also give the rodents a safe place to eat. Rats and mice are very skittish creatures and prefer to eat in dark, enclosed places. Finally, a tamper-proof bait station will protect non-target animals from the lethal bait. Professional bait stations are very sturdy and can't be opened without a key. This will help keep hungry dogs, curious cats, and nosy kids away from the bait. So remember, when using rodent bait, always use a tamper-proof bait station, and most importantly, don't lose the key. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today.
All right, yeah, good.
Once you put a prop in my hand, it all went smooth, huh, Dawn? In your face.